Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, I wanted to share something that could help you all spend some time in a positive way while staying at home and doing something good to make your life a bit more comfy and organized. So I thought of sharing my bathroom organization video with you all. And these are all the shelves. That is the bottom of the closet. So in this tray I have my weighing scale and some exercise equipment, even things like measuring tape and stuff. This basket has cleaning supplies like paper towel and the cleaners and the Clorox wipes and a small roll of trash can bags. And also I keep like a spare rough cloth, or something spills or something. These come in really handy. So yeah, and this shelf has this basket that contains small swimming supplies of my husband and my daughter. This one has personal care products that we all share as a family. These are some extra body lotions of different kinds. Here in this basket I have all the dental hygiene products. So as you can see, I'll show you a bit more. As you can see, I have these spare toothbrushes for if somebody's visiting or we need a change, and some floss sticks, and these are some small toothpaste travel packs and some small mouthwash travel packs and all kinds of mouth care products, dental hygiene, I mean. And this is a box of facial tissue, and the basket behind it carries all the sunscreen products, sun protection products of different kinds, of different SPF. I even have some smaller suntan tubes, suntan lotion tubes for when I'm traveling or to keep in my handbag. I have quite a few extras. And this basket here has different kinds of soap in it, like face washes and bar soaps and shampoos and stuff like that. Oh, I accidentally put the comb in here. I'm sorry. So yeah, and so this is how I've organized all of this. And let me put the facial tissues back. So this, guys, is the personal hygiene basket for my husband. I've written his on it to identify it. It has all his products. And I even have a spare old t-shirt for him in there, so he can use that while if he's using a hair color or something. This has all my personal hygiene stuff in this basket. And this one has all things like the pumic stone and the facial. These are the spare facial buffs. You should constantly keep changing them, and they're really nice ones though. And this is the loofah, spare loofah, and spare pumic stone, and like this a spare nail brush. And yeah, so I have all these products in this basket if we need a change or replacement. So guys, this can, I put washi tape all over it, and this has all the extra combs and hairbrush in it. So, and this basket has all my hair accessories that most of them I use them occasionally. I have things like hairbands and hair ties and all sorts of different hair accessories in there, all at one place. So guys, this basket, it's a bit heavy for me to hold it with just one hand because I'm using the other hand to record. Yeah, let me put it down. I'll show you what I have in there. Yeah, so this section has all the spare shower caps in it. And these come in really handy if I'm using things like henna for hair or a hair color or anything like that. And That's the henna pack, and that's the spare t-shirt, and these are my hair care products and hairsprays and stuff like that. That's the yeah. In the back one I have more hairstyling products and the hair blower and oils and things like that. This has us the extra attachments for the hair dryer. Yeah, all in one place. Anybody can find it. Even if I like want to ask my daughter to get something, she can easily get it. That's the reason I've labeled them all and in big, huge letters. So yeah, it says hairstyling, and I have in here pretty much everything that I need. So yes, this goes up again. Bit heavy for me to lift with one hand again. And the top one, this one I have the humidifier on and some toilet paper rolls. And this box here, let me show you what I have in there. This is like really useful to me. So yeah, and this is like a paper envelope. That's a travel pouch. So guys, I have put in like whatever samples that I get at the beauty shop, and I keep them all in here. And of course, if something is expiring, I throw it away, but otherwise I keep them all in here. It has all kinds of like small makeup pouches to face washes, shampoos, body lotions, scrubs, whatnots. And these are the small perfume, travel sized perfumes. So basically this box has all travel sized supplies in it, including vanity kits and sewing kits and lip balms and lotions and all kinds of different things. So this is a sewing kit, and I have multiple in here. And I have put the flat shower cap bags in this, so it's easier to pack them. So yeah, and that's the reason I've kept this paper envelope, as you can see this. So whenever I have to pack, I just have to fill this in with the flat packs, travel sized packs of different things. And then this is the travel pouch I use to pack all the stuff in, and it comes in so handy and is really helpful. So guys, I really hope that you get inspired to organize some corner of your home by watching my video. Please do share my video, subscribe to my channel. There's much more coming your way. If you are my subscriber, you won't miss them if you hit the bell icon, that is. And thanks again for watching my video. Have a safe life. Bye bye.